Hey, Mr. Spangler, this is Scott with Highmark Construction. Your insurance company has requested us to do a video repair of your roof. We're out here at your house, 709 Cambridge. Today is 11/13. It's currently 55 degrees out. We have our affected shingle right here. We're going to go ahead and remove this shingle, do this repair. Anything that I do run into, I'll notate that we can talk about. If the shingle is a successful repair, then we'll just go ahead and complete all the repairs today. So let's just go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do, get this shingle out. You can see around it, I'm going to have to remove these shingles subsequently around it to be able to get the nails out. So I'm going to have to unseal all those shingles. We will seal them back down for you once everything is done. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be as diligent as possible. We are using a certified roof snake to do this repair. This nail is just completely disintegrated. You can see it's getting water intrusion into it. One thing I'd like to note immediately, if you can come down here and get a quick video of this. We've got material transfer already just from unsealing this shingle. That material transfer, as you can see right there, is not going to allow this shingle to seal down properly, and it's a big chunk right here on the top shingle that's going to be staying. That's an automatic failure of this repair, but we're going to continue on, see if we can't get this thing at least out of here. I've run into a lot of nails that have pulled through completely, and they're going to be impossible to get back out and get back in. See all these pull through nail holes, which is going to make it impossible to get those nails put back into the same spots. We have material transfer here and here, so that means this whole shingle above it, this shingle right here is starting to tear already above it. That's another failure point. So we're going to go ahead and continue on, but this repair does not look well at all. Slide this new shingle in. So we've got a couple things going on here. This shingle dimensionally does not fit. Now I can cut this shingle, which I will show right now. I can cut it lengthways to fit this way. Okay, what I cannot do, and this is by the manufacturer's instructions, is cut this here or here, because we have weather stripping on both sides. I cannot cut into that weather stripping. It is a direct no-no from the manufacturers, and it would cut into the sawtooth. So this shingle is not going to properly seat. Therefore, function-wise, it's not going to function the way it's supposed to, and it's not going to stop the water from being able to intrude. So as you can see, that's as far as she wants to go. And we've got quite a large overlap. But we will continue and try to get this thing in here as best as we can. This roof does have 2 layers on it, so I do have to use oversized nails in order to be able to actually get through to that second layer and actually be able to hit a nailable surface. So this right here is already an automatic failure point. Just by using the roof snake, it's damaging the shingle already. You can see the amount of granule loss that we're getting on this roof as I'm trying to just get these shingles to get in there. Up here, I've got more material transfer. I'm not going to be able to seat this nail back in that hole. I'm going to have to work around it. Myself fixated with another nail here. I got delamination of this shingle right here. It's completely come undone. This shingle is already starting to cause a crease line and has delamination. That's an automatic failure. Get one more nail in here. So a couple things to note. One, we know your shingle is no longer available. This is the closest thing that we could get to a match. There's a couple things wrong with it. Major overlap. I cannot cut into that sawtooth per the manufacturer's instructions. Not to mention it is a massive eyesore. Maryland's not a matching state, but as a reasonable appearance, I'm gonna leave it up to you as the homeowner to decide whether that's reasonable enough for you. This shingle is torn at the bottom, no longer gonna function the way it's supposed to. Material transfer under here is not gonna allow this to seal properly. This has become delaminated, and then as you can see, we're already creating a crease line. So as I try to hand seal this, the wind's gonna blow on it. I mean, that's an automatic failure as well. So we're kind of checking off all the blocks here why this is not going to be a proper repair. I'll send this video to you so we can go kind of through what the next step might be for you. Thanks.